Your opponent's going for the center. A classic move. Solid choice. You're setting up that bishop to launch against the f7 pawn, alright? Your opponent's getting ready to challenge the center with a pawn push. What do you think? You're opening things up, activating your pieces like a boss. Let's go. They're challenging your control of the center. What a move to fight for space. Equal trade. More like an equal upgrade for your position. Your opponent blundered, giving you a chance to snag their pawn. Took that back, no hesitation. A logical recapture. Your opponent finished the exchange with a recapture. Seems fair, right? You're about to make that defender work overtime. Double shift. They are threatening to capture a bishop and win material after the follow-up trades. And in this position, you sacrificed the bishop. A simple recapture from your opponent. Next. That's the only move. And you nailed it. What a find. Their best option was to reveal an attack on a queen while also checking. You prevented your opponent from being able to win a queen through a discovered attack.